Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular Volvo truck over here. So we'll be continuing this model over here. So very first of all, you can just off this mesh smooth if required over here. So we'll be starting up with some of this side elements over here. So let's continue that. How you are going to model? I have also imported one, open one reference over here. So we can definitely use that reference also over here. So we can create the side mirrors over here. So let's create the side mirrors. So we'll be creating side mirrors like this. So let's take a box over here. Let's go into the side view over here and let's take a reference over here. So let's just take a box over here. So after taking a box, let's just scale this. Let's convert to editable poly and let's just put one connect over here, and I'll slightly select this edge and I'll push it over here. Let's go to the front view over here. Let's take a line tool. Let's select this line over here, rendering, enabling viewport over here. Select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet slightly and click OK. So let's just duplicate that down over here. Let's again take a box over here. So I'll go into this, select this. So let's convert to editable poly. Select the polygons and let's give a bit of bevel over here. So let's slightly reduce that part over here. Scale that. So select this edges over here and let's give a bit of chamfer. So we can slightly give a bit of chamfer to it. So select this polygons. Let's give a bit of insert and let's slightly bevel this. So although it's not going to be visible in that way, and let's go into this and let's give turbo smooth over here. But before assigning turbo smooth, let's select this and let's give one connect over here, and let's give one connect over here, and let's give turbo smooth. Now looks better. So we can slightly just scale this in this way. Select this, both the elements over here, and isolate. So push it in this way, slightly. So just select this and scale a bit, slightly, and we can shuffle this over here on the other side. So you can just select this and just mirror it over here in the x-axis. Slightly shuffle this, select this, and this part will mirror it, and y-axis over here. Slightly you can rotate that. So let's just place it. Just place it in that way. So we can slightly, if you want, I can slightly rotate that and push it a bit inside. I'll just scale this over here, and you can mirror that on the other side. So after that is done, let's go over here into the side view over here that can be duplicated over here. So what we'll be doing over here is like, let's start creating this part. So if you want, you can definitely generate few details over here that will be doing it over here. So for that I'll be going into vertices. I'll slightly adjust this over here. So if you want how it looks, what I'll do over here is like, I'll go into rendering. I'll open that reference also, so I can just check out the reference of that. I'll just open the reference to get an idea how it looks. So we have a glass still here, so I'll just okay, won't go in this, we'll go into this, slightly push this till here. So select the polygons over here. So let's select this polygons and slightly will insert it, and let's just bevel this. So beveling, we can give a bit, not much, so give a bit of bevel, that's it. Okay. So right click and just isolate this part over here. So definitely whatever details will require, will be going with those details. Same thing over here, will be assigning some swift loops over here for the doors also, that will be putting up over here for this part, this area. That would be a detail that will be doing it afterwards. Okay, much better. Alright. So let's go over here and let's take a box. So definitely we'll be modeling this individually. So as we are modeling this individually, so we have to model this part also. So how we can model this part? So before that, I'll just delete this mesh smooth and this turbo smooth and go into the vertices. I'll slightly shuffle that. So select this part slightly and just push this in this way. So select the box over here. Let's take a box part. So select the box part over here and shift this. So I'm not going with much details for now. I'll select this box. If you want, I can even use tube also if required. So I'll convert to editable poly. Select this box. I'll slightly push it inside select the box, and let's give a bit of extrude over here. So let's keep on extruding that particular part over here. So select this vertices, rotate that part, select again the vertices over here and select the polygons, again extrude that over here. So select the vertices, select the polygons. So I'm just doing it manually. If you want, we'll be definitely pushing that down afterwards. So I'm just going slow. So again select the polygons and let's again give extrude over here in this way. Definitely will be adjusting that. So first let's just complete this part. So select this polygon again extrude that, go into the vertices over here and just select this, take again a swift loop over here, select the vertices and adjust it. So now I can slightly shuffle it a bit inside, select the polygons and I'll again extrude that down. So I'll push this down over here and I'll take one swift loop over here in this way, or else I'll select the polygons over here and I'll slightly extrude it over here. Save your file. I know we can generate these details with that tube also, but we have something kind of a awkward shape over here, so that's the reason I'm just modeling it individually. So once this is done over here, so guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So definitely we'll be doing this part and we'll be making the wheels in the coming tutorial. We'll be going with some details for the doors also. We'll be creating the wipers. So a lot of things left, so I'm going slow definitely. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.